spring has sprung. This is just a bit of a teaser for the full garden tour, which I'll get together a bit later on. But this is my jackfruit tree, which I got from Daly's, and it was not looking too good, but they did tell me that. However, if we look here, we've got new growth coming through all over the place, and that's great. So moving along, we've got the Mariposa that I got from Guildford Garden Centre. Lots of beautiful new growth on here. No leaf curl by the look of it. A few bugs. A blackcurrant that I also got from Guildford Garden Centre. And look at this magnificent green foliage just starting to come out. Lots of buds appearing on it. So hopefully we'll get some blackcurrants this year. The mulberry is no longer just a stick in the ground. We've got lots of mulberry flowers on it. We come in and have a look. And one thing I'm going to have to look up, because I don't know, is it a male or female mulberry flower? And here we've got my kumquat. Lots of new growth on here. No leaf curl. Well, very little leaf curl. You admire my nectars? That's my nectar Z. And again, look at that beautiful new growth. It's coming up nicely. We've controlled the leaf curl. Doesn't look like it's too many bugs on it. Few around, but we're always going to have that. So there's a few of the trees which are starting to just burst into lovely foliage. I'll be doing a full garden tour shortly, and it'll be quite long. But like and subscribe if you want to see the 100-odd trees I've got in this small urban property. See which ones lived through winter, see which ones didn't. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you in the garden.